जैसा कोई नहीं है। 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। तेरे पास ही मैं आ रहा हूँ, अपनी बाहें खोल दे, जोर से मुझको गले लगा दे, मुझको फिर वो प्यार दे। जिंदगी है, तू ही मेरी मोहब्बत है, तेरे ही पैरों में जन्नत है, तू ही दिल तू जान बाबा। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे तेरा हिमालय आकाश छू ले, बहती रहे तेरी गंगा। ऊंचा हो इतना, इतना बुलंद हो, तारों को चूमे तिरंगा। माँ से है माटी, माँ से है माथा, माथे पे माटी सजा के चले। माए चलती रहे बेखौफ हवाएं, लहरा के झूमे तिरंगा। आजाद रहे आबाद रहे तू, तारों को चूमे तिरंगा। क्या है, कोई शूरवीर ही प्राण दान देता है। माँ से है माटी, माँ से है माथा, माथे पे माटी सजा के चले।
माए चलती रहे बेखौफ हवाएं,
लहरा के झूमे तिरंगा,
आजाद रहे आबाद रहे तू।
तारों को झूमे तिरंगा। मेरे लहू का है फायदा क्या, आए ना मांझो ये काम तेरे।
माए चलती रहे बेखौफ हवाएं, लहरा के झूमे तिरंगा, आजाद रहे
आबाद रहे तू, तारों को झूमे तिरंगा।
तारों को हाँ झूमे तिरंगा।
हाँ झूमे तिरंगा, तारों को हाँ झूमे तिरंगा।
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। मैं वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। मैं वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन, मैं वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तू। मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तू। वतन मेरे वतन।
Respected dignitaries on and off the dais, Superintendent of Police, Commanding Officers of the CRPF 156, 87, 20 battalions and the 7 Indian Reserve Battalion, Additional District Magistrate, Judicial Magistrate, District level officers, staffs, personnel of the security forces, ex-servicemen, representatives of the civil society, teachers, doctors, engineers, farmers, workers, entrepreneurs, members of the press and the media, student, youth, mothers and sisters, senior citizens, truck drivers, and above all, my dear people of Jiribam. A very good morning to all of you, Kurumjai. On a beautiful and solemn morning, as our Tiranga flies above Jiribam, I extend my warmest greetings to every citizen of the district on the 88th Independence Day of a great nation. Today, we celebrate freedom. Ngasi ekoi puna India gi marini pusuba ningtambagi numit asina lakpada aphaba marachet palebak amu oisanu haina ai thongjari. My dear citizens of Jiribam, agi nungsiraba Jiribam gi mayam pimba. Ngasi akoi na uriba India ase. India today we show is very different from the India that we saw that awakened to freedom nearly 8 decades ago. And the same goes for Jiribam district. India progressed when Jiribam progressed, Manipur progressed when Jiribam progressed. Both India as a nation and Manipur as a state progressed when the last village from Jiribam Gate till Lamtai Kuno and the banks of Barak River progressed. And India progressed when our internally displaced persons, the IDPs, live with dignity, they live with pride, and they return back to their original homes with love, peace, and unity. In this context, I would like to mention and also congratulate the proactive efforts of the district administration, the subdivisional officers, the block development officers, that under the guidance of the state government, we've achieved completion of nearly more than 100 construction of houses under different schemes of Government of India, as well as state government from various displaced area of Madhupur, Lamtai Khunau, as well as Kalinagar, Rani Veng, Mission Compound in Babupara areas, Zarol Popi, and few of the families have rehabilitated and are living together with full cooperation. Mayam Sokthok Chaningai ni Manipur Pumbada ngasi Jiribam district na akogi model district ama oina IDP singi yum mai chakraba matam amada langi chaitheng nangkraba singdu more than yum chama hena sarga ngasi akoi khara amadi Zarol Popi gumulamda puruk masel khenaba tawdana punna laiminaba yawra haibase akoi district da ahambani haibase ai mayami mafam ngasi thamsage masi kari maram gino because all of us have felt that Jiribam se akogi yum ni Jiribam is our home and Jiribam is a responsibility for all of us. Jiribam haibase is more than an administrative district on the western frontier of Manipur. Manipur ki western frontier khatanate masi gateway ni, it's a gateway, it's a meeting place of people, cultures and possibilities. Yengu mang tung maning da cheliba Barak river, mang da cheliba Jiri river, generation kaya ma chelaga, they have flowed beside generation. Masida lairiba sini phurup mayam khundaminaraga, we have called this home. Akogi lairiba rambi roads, our roads connect with the rest of the country, our villages, our markets, our institutions, and our communities give the district its unique character. Ngasi tanja se lauraga ai masida ngasi tinbiriba mayam phumda khunna saktheng na wari sabagi tanja adu logjage ahan hanbada to every displaced family da akoina khalamba yai that lang gi chaitheng phangro matungda ai gi ichai sungi education sing mang takhre that my child's education was interrupted mama sing oibana mother sing na khalamba yai ai gi future ase kamai oigani haidana aduga kanagumma misaka mana mayumda haningado every person willing to return home khalamba yai adubu ai ngasi gi occasion si tanjalor ga thamjage madudi district asina lenga asina nakhoi bo kokthok toge the district has not forgotten you. Rehabilitation haibase yum saba khatanate, rehabilitation is not just about constructing houses. House haibase yum haibase is made of wall roof na sabiyai, but a home yum haibase kana is made of safety, is made of livelihood, is made of neighbors, yumon kalona ba memories nangi asa kaya punjalaga laibaduni yum home hairise ko aduna akogi responsibility se it does not end with providing shelter yum khak saba wall roof khatana loibanate it must go beyond dignity restore tauba livelihood sendan lambi community and most importantly ai isa ni yum halakanda isada confidence laibra haibado maduni khoidagi maru orise ko aduna masigi maikaida akoi punna hodamina ba haibadu tai that should be our objective. Santi haibase peace is everyone's responsibility. Sarkar khatara peace purak pagambra. Government alone cannot manufacture peace. Police can enforce the law. Security forces can protect vulnerable areas. District magistrate amana order issue to bayai. Courts the justice uphold to bayai. But lasting peace haibase kanana purakadabdo ngasi tariba mangda phammiba ima ije angang tariba singse sinna lasting peace to purakadabani society na purakadabani khunai na purakadabani samas na purakadabani karam kande ge horkani when it should begin akoina WhatsApp ta social media da unverified over rumors se akoina forward talk daba number 1 akoina kanagumba community amase judge to batopa mi sak amana tawba thawong gi damakta magi community di sumaina tawrungani haina judge to bodo ado akhoi na thaida thambatai mathangda akhoi amaga ama yumlon karo na balai singse suspicion oina leinabagi muhutta conversation sanabatai conversation over suspicion kamaina tawguni aduna ngasi tiliba mangda phammiba tariba angang sing the young people the students the society the elders makhoi ni sing na kidobatai akhoi gi hogiba history sing se akhoi ningsing bayai but without becoming prisoners of them akhoi hogi ba history myam thokre madu ningsing bayai madu da akhoi phajin pomselaga hakchang si thamgadaw nate akhoi gi identities akhoi na protect to bayai we can protect our identities without disrespecting another identity we can disagree without becoming enemies Peace does not require us to become the same. Peace requires us to respect the differences while remembering that we share. Ako'y kay share tawi. And what we share is immense. Ako'y na ama share tawi siyam yamina. We share this district. Ako'y district se share tawi. We share the roads. We share the rivers. We share the markets. We share its school, hospitals. Above all, ako'y we kay tawi. We share a common future. Masini khwaidagi maru oibese ko. Loinana ngasigi tanja si logjaraga to those who keep Jiribam safe on the 80th Independence Day. I offer my deepest appreciation to our police, the CRPF, 38th Assam Rifle, IRB, and all the security personnel. That I also express my deepest condolences who have lost their lives in the line of duty. Sri Ajoy Kumar Jha of the CRPF 20 Battalion, Sri Prasanna Kumar Deko of Jiribam Police Station, the Kalembang Manglim Jao Singh of 20 Battalion, Sri Prasanna Kumar Deko, Sri Bhumidhar Barua 156 Battalion, Sri Gurdeep Singh of the 38 AR, Sri Dharmeswar Nath of 87 Battalion, Sri Chaleo Mak of 38 AR, Sri Ravinder Kumar of the 20 Battalion, and also Sri Mutum Telen Singh of the SIB. We stand with their families today and we are deeply honored by the presence of those who lost their lives in the line of duty to protect this nation and to protect its territorial integrity and sovereignty. Ani subada ay ngasi health workers sing da haijage to our doctors, nurses, paramedics, ASA, Anganwadi workers, and the entire health department. I would like to commend all of you for the untiring efforts that you have shown. Yamna thagat ningay oibawa from the February 2026 District Hospital Jiribam se akoigi Manipur Pumbagi Hospital Tratret Phogi Manungda we were on 14th position in the implementation of e-hospital. Aduga yamna thagadingay oiba mana ngasi August 2026 akoi tha manga ahum mari sida manga taruk sida we have stood up higher to 3rd position tagare ko all Manipur gi oina. Masiga loina na akoi district hospital asigi maikai dagi Janani Suraksha Yojana, Janani Sisu Suraksha Karyakram Yojana haidana aduga loina na ngasi uchakhiba TB eradication program asi akoi kanna holajari. Loina na ngasi tinbiriba teachers oja singdai haning badi we construct buildings that one day it may repair. But teacher na kaidawi it builds the mind and the character of a child. Angang amada thadariba investment se masina it can influence generation. Every classroom in Jiribam ki school da laiba classroom da laiba phamiba angang sinse it can become tomorrow's scientist, tomorrow's entrepreneur, tomorrow's sports person like Mirabai, tomorrow's artist, tomorrow's commanding officer, tomorrow's teacher, and perhaps stand on the very platform today to address all of you. Never allow circumstances to determine the size of a child's dream. Yamna thaganingay oibamadi district asidagi first, second district position haidana arts and science category dagi akoigi Jiribam Higher Secondary School the mangjin tharaga akoigi chief minister honorable chief minister masamang na kusam nabagi award handakta pangthoki baduda angang singgi amadi makoigi mama pa singbo aina ikai khumdabu chari loina na akoigi ngasi lau singmugi mafamda hairadi ngasi district asil laiba farmer singse akoina office ka ba hodringa digi nakoina thabak hana hoduna field chatlaga nakoina district asibu chak thak na nabo honariba se ai yamna thagat ningai thagat pa phongduk sari loina na farmer sing da ngasi gi tanja asi logjar gaina haijening badi district asida yamna athubada sarkar gi makai degi 50 metric ton gi set godown ama loina na soil testing laboratory akhoi uba phangaba yai masigi damakta ai sarkar bosu thagat pa phongduk chage loina na ngasi tinbiriba sarkar gi department mya revenue, land resources, forest, social welfare, food, civil supplies, agriculture, horticulture, police line department sing na akoy na drug phabagi kaya masigi trafficking da akoy kaya mongma da khumang chising gre loina na praja sing da ngasigi tanja silongjar gya hygienic badi revenue department gi oina akoy na online digital tax payment haidana loksa pathap ta gi akoy madugi khudong sa bada lobi ba yar gani masida karaguma praja amana office ta hana thigi ba kasna receipt adu paibiraga update tobiraga akoigi yumgi own convenience tagi tax adu thiba yargani loinana Jiribam district ki oina akoi 100% computerization of land record, sale deed, gift deed ki land record modernization loina loire haibedu ai ngasi gi tanja si lorga thamjage loinana ngasi gi program asibu mapung phahliba akoigi yamna toina akoina di really mention toba official speech ta akoigi Jiribam municipal council gi sanitation workers akoigi ngasi NS37 da line lengduna leibak asigidamukta leiba akhoi truck drivers akhoi clerical staff linemen chokidar field workers computer operators village level functionaries cook helpers volunteers convoy escort amadi ngasigi program asibu mapung phan bada chakuri thangdok thangjin people who arrange chairs in today's function that I would like to remind that the government functions because of ordinary people who are quietly performing extraordinary responsibilities every single day. But today we see all of you and we acknowledge you. Makha tarakpada aina nupi amadi jibangi youth sing the hygienic body honaba kalu public service changu you play sports question hambatamu dream without apology akhogi district ama khunai ama saukhat ba haibasi population tangkhai ama saukhatlaga loibinate tangkhai ama saukhatpa matamda nupi singna youth singna mangjil tharaga district ki saukhatpa oigadoini losilakpada aina hygienic body citizen singda jiribamgi praja mayamda aina hygienic body administration na we can construct a road but kana gi thogdang no citizen sing ani protect tong dise municipality na ngasi lambi ama sengam bayai but as a citizen we must choose not to litter it police na traffic regulate to bayai discipline kana no enforce tong dise praja na ni sarkar ne school construct to bayai kana no maduda angang tanaba tha dise mama mapa oi basing ani sarkar na peace enforce por bayai kana no peace se choose tong dise society na ni rights make us citizens of a democracy but responsibility laibase it make us worthy of that democracy ngasigi 88th independence day si tanja logjar ka hygienic body ngasi akoina uriba saffron color se it asks us for courage and sacrifice the white color reminds us of truth and peace the green reminds us of life growth and hope and its center ngasigi uriba asoka chakra sina ui that it reminds us that the nation, the state, the Manipur must always come forward. My dear people of Jiribam, may our district know peace, may every family know security, may every farmer prosper, may every child receive the opportunity, may every woman walk with confidence, may our youth dream fearlessly, and may those who have suffered find healing, and may we always have find the courage to choose what unites us over what divides us. Jai Hind, Jai Manipur, Jai Jiribam.
Contingent, you are requested kindly to distribute awards from the Deputy Commissioner, Sri Arvind Hanglem, IS Deputy Commissioner Jiribam. Now I would like to request Under Officer Anis Ahmad, the commander of the NSET, kindly to receive your awards, your guest awards from the respected chief guest of today's function, Sri Arvind Hanglem, IS Deputy. Ready. You are requested kindly to get ready to receive your award. Kausunjari, Pangjam Singlembi,
Jiri College Girls Contingent, Commander Pangjam Singlembi and Placard Bearer Subedar A. David Chalai, 7th in India Reserve Battalion, Platoon Commander, receiving the award. Platoon Commander Mangal Moirang Them. We request the platoon commanders of the Brass Path contingents to get ready for receiving the awards. Next, we call upon Mang contingent. Girls contingent. After Diamond Moirang Them and El Surjit, please get ready. Laniganbam Ronita Devi. I will give word for our case out of this school girls contingent. Next, we request Habib Basa Workers contingent. Please get ready for the reward. Saikom Ranjana. Next, please get ready. Pilot to Chief Guest, MD Sanako pilots, PH Aboy Bising and Ningtulu Kamay. Next, may I request Chingakom Basanta Maite, Havildar Chingakom Basanta Maite receiving the reward from the respected chief guests of today's function. Next, may we request T.H. Aboy Basing and Ningtinglong Kamay, the pilots, to receive the rewards. Zonal Education Office Jiribam for the performance on Pantabi Jagoy. Children of Childcare Institution,
Mathanda Kaushintagi Sri Laisam Tarajit Singh, Sub-Divisional Officer, Jiribam. Nasi Ikai Komisar Chief Guest Ordnance and Biliba Sri Alvin Hanglem IS before becoming star today. Award Lobby na Bilita Makta Kaushintagi. Mathanda Kaushintagi Irom Nirmal Singh, SDC Branch Officer, DC Office, Jiribam. Ikai Komisar Bang Chief Guest Kutagi Award Lobby na Bilita Makta Kaushintagi. Sri Irom Nirmal Singh. Mathanda Kaushintagi Jungkaibam Henry Singh. Ikai Komisar Bang Chief Guest Kutagi Award Lobby na Bilita Makta Kaushintagi. Mathanda Kaushintagi AMD Mathanda Kaushintagi Sanjit Glaisram DMS District Hospital Jiribam. Mathanda Kaushintagi Sri Moirang Thiam Sri Muminul Islam Majumdar MFH District Treasury Officer. Ikai Komisar Chief Guest Kutagi Award Lobby na Bilita Makta Kaushintagi. Sri Lumit Kapa Ningtemsa Siyam Sadhin Labi na Bilita Makta Kaushintagi. Kaushintagi Kaushintagi Sri Lumit Kapa Ningtemsa Range Forest Officer Jiribam. Ikai Komisar Chief Guest Kutagi Award Lobby na Bilita Makta Kaushintagi. Mathanda Sagapam Silpiasano LDC Election Department Siyam Sadhana Labi na Bilita Makta Kaushintagi. Kaushintagi Labi na Bilita Makta Kaushintagi. Mathanda AMD Hanif Lambu DC Office Jiribam Siyam Sadhana Labi na Bilita Makta Kaushintagi. KS Prakash Singha Junior Engineer Electricity Department Jiribam. Ikai Komisar Chief Guest Kutagi. Next, I request Kuldeep Kumar, 2IC, Detachment 48 Battalion CRPF, kindly to collect your awards, CRPF. Next,
Matangda N. Gibson Maytay, under 19 boys single runner-up. Ready labi na bagidam taning singjari. Wainan Lorena Libam. She has participated in second All India Badminton Cluster Badminton and Table Tennis Championship 2025-26 at Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.
Special Method Award for public service from the respected tributes of today's function. Next, I'd like to request Patrick Lalwingam Ma from Kalinagar Jiribam. Please get ready. Patrick Lalwingam Ma, Kalinagar Jiribam, you are requested to kindly receive your awards from the respected tributes of today's function. Next, Mata Asade, Ningthomsam Rajendra Singh. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Mathanda Koksinjari, Ahanthem Memsa Devi, Children Home RC Harinagar. Ikai Kumnazari Ba, Maibam Inaupi Devi, Vidyanagar. Award of the Pagita. Sandhya Ozuri awards for 39 other personnel of 7 IRB. Sri SS, I request Sadhan Dekaraja, SI ZD